Hey guys, my name is Foxy Jr. and today I have a great idea. Let's do a dog cam. Well, I'm calling it a Sarge cam because, that's what my dog's name is. So let's just go to the room. Oh, never mind, there he is, right there. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. So, we're going to be recording for like 4 minutes, maybe 5. And that's what we're going to be doing. We might even just do it for 2 to make it short. Alright. Dog cam. He's shaking his head. He's yawning. He's yawning. And he's still. Oh, he's sitting down. And he's laying down. Good boy.
Sarge, you are the butt.
Oh,
Face. Mwahaha.
well, yeah, oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Sarge cam. Done. Stare into the camera. So, well, I'm just going to end the video there. I'll walk into my room. I'll end the video there. So, I just wanted to show you stuff about my dog for a little bit. Yeah, it was good enough. So, bye.